winners for the Nobel Laureates of Literature. Okay. This is this team. Team number 3 and 4 are those who are sitting on the side of. Yes.
Nobel Prize.
It is Nobel
Peace Prize.
Nobel Peace Prize. So the correct answer is Nobel Peace Prize. But all that for Nobel Peace. No, it's Nobel Literature. Okay. So remember that. Please pay attention to the question also. Very good. So I can go behind and stand. So the string theory. Stephen Hawking is well known for his string theory. True or false? Okay. So, what is it? Is a first Indian to reach the moon. Osama bin Laden was the founder of ISIS. Okay. Please pay attention. Mosquito, the greatest killer, kills 2.7 million people every year on the earth. Is it true or false? Is it true? Is it true? 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 Yes, very good. That is the right answer. Clap hands. Abraham Lincoln was the president of Russia.
How many are standing?
How many are standing?
Okay.
Okay. It's a full absolute answer. Correct. Very good. Please clap hands for it. India has 1.2 billion population, 29 states and 7 union territories. Is it true or false? Very good. Very good.
How many are
Is
standing?
it true? Then why is it? Okay. Just tell me true.
दुनिया गोल बनाई प्रभु ने now with the opposite hand and opposite pose दुनिया turn on the other side गोल बनाई. Okay, so here we go, singing together. 1, 2, 3. दुनिया गोल बनाई प्रभु तूने दुनिया गोल बनाई. Clap, clap. दुनिया गोल बनाई प्रभु तूने दुनिया गोल बनाई. सुंदर बनाया. हे ऊंचा नीचा पहाड़ पर्वत सुंदर बनाया. ऊंचा नीचा पहाड़ पर्वत सुंदर बनाया. हे दुनिया गोल बनाई प्रभु तूने दुनिया गोल बनाई. क्लैप क्लैप. दुनिया गोल बनाई प्रभु तूने दुनिया गोल बनाई. नगीना ये टाटा टुकु सुंदर बनाया. से नगीना ये टाटा टुकु सुंदर बनाया. हे दुनिया गोल बनाई प्रभु तूने दुनिया गोल बनाई. दुनिया गोल बनाई प्रभु तूने दुनिया गोल बनाई. हमको तुमको सुंदर बनाया. हमको तुमको सुंदर बनाया. हे दुनिया गोल बनाई प्रभु तूने दुनिया गोल बनाई. दुनिया गोल बनाई प्रभु तूने दुनिया गोल बनाई. A roaring applause for each other. Lovely, excellent. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Okay, till I say next. So there are 12 pieces of paper. 10 pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 10 pins basically. Okay.
So only 10.
Yeah, only 10. Okay, on your mark.
Okay, don't wait for the next. If you finish your petition, the next person. Yeah, once the person finishes, you can come. The next person in charge can.
Good manners cost us nothing but gives us everything.
Okay, you're having time to gather the pearls together. Gather them together.
Rome was not built in a day. Love one another. Be the author of your own destiny.
Okay, if you've read each and every statement in your group, pick up.
To make them true. Nights are to see the dreams and days are to make them true. Nights are to see the dreams and days are to make them true.
Give them again, please.
Your own destiny.
Nice. Nice.
Be the opener of your own destiny.
And a third time.
Be the opener of your own destiny.
See, you must say it thrice without me telling you first, second, and third. Okay? Inqilab. 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 ये इनकलाब आध्यात्मिक इनकलाब है ठीक है
Work so hard that your style becomes your autograph. Work so hard that your style becomes your autograph.
Excellent. Give them a hand, please. This hand is for both the second and the third team. Okay? Nice. 4.
If you light a lamp for someone else, it will lighten your heart too. If you light a lamp for someone else, it will lighten your heart too. If you light a lamp for someone else, it will lighten your heart too.
Excellent. Thank you very much. 7.
Give the best to the world will give you the best. From yourself, then work to transform the world. First transform the self, then work to transform the world. First transform the self, then work to transform the world.
Okay, lovely. Let's give each and everyone a big hand, please. Thank
Thank you very much, Father Isaac. Now, I would like to invite Sir Ashiko PJ to explain us about the evolution and development of Knit India from its inception.
Good evening, USM. Good evening, USM. I think you did not have, some of you did not have lunch properly. Everybody is saying good evening. Okay, you will get the strength after dinner. Knit India is a gathering of dedicated youth to build a civilization of love. who really and truly live the 5 paths of universal solidarity movement to transform themselves before they undertake to transform the world. Universal Solidarity Movement Value Education for Peace organizes a national event called Knit India from 28th to 31st December every year. The young students, teachers and their principals from various schools across the country make their choice to spend their Christmas holidays in reflection, interaction and discussion to explore the ways of building a society of love and peace. They belong to all religions, castes and tribes who speak different languages and belong to various cultures. They take the trouble, spend their money, energy and time to travel all the way to express their commitment to build a civilization of love and peace. They are concerned about the present challenges and dream of creating a better India, free from terrorism, fundamentalism, injustice, corruption, hypocrisy and disintegration. What unites them is the positive response to their concern for the country and the humanity. They discuss and share the socio-political context of India and take up action plans to be practiced in their schools with their fellow students and teachers, making a difference in the society. They believe in what Mahatma Gandhi said, "You be the change you want." Now I will show you on this PowerPoint the evolution of Knit India at different places. Now you see, though we started the first Knit India in 1994 with 35 participants in Bhopal, then we continued down the lane and we have reached 2000 in Bangalore, Knit India, and we had around 1000 participants. What is right in front of you is in Bangalore, 2000. And that was the second national Knit India. Nandita Das, the actress in our program. Here she is interacting with the teachers in Indore in 2002. Then Professor A. Abbasi addressing the Knit India 2003 in Indore. The same Knit India 2003. He was the former collector of India addressing the students. Here we have a different Knit India at a different place, Anandavan, Baba Amde's place. And that was the 35th Knit India 2005. You may find some of your friends from your schools. Much seniors, yes. In 2005. This also is in some of the USM team members. Father Varghese Alangadan addressing, and you find one little boy sitting here, that is a Nitish. This is in Bareilly, UP in 2006. Now Now this is the French delegation attended the NIT India in Anandavan in 2006. Father Varghese with Baba Amde in 2007 NIT India in Anandavan. This also is 2007 NIT India. In 2009, Transila, Gujarat. This is the panel session on the stage, you find. These were the organizing committee members of 2009 NIT India. Here is your great hero, Father Isaac. Here comes the 2010 Somnath Pragalp in Maharashtra, which is the 42nd in NIT India. Here are the organizing members of the whole national team organizing the NIT India. Here is the flag hoisting in 2010. Creative work during NIT India. Different groups, these are the group works, like you were divided into the various groups.